Hello everybody, how are you? I am Muhammad Ahmed and your teacher here, and I will be teaching you different questions and their answers. So I welcome you on classtutor.com where we will be discussing questions. So let's get on the question. Our today's question is Spillage. After reading an online story about a new security project being developed on the military installation where you work, your neighbor asks you to comment about the article. You know this project is classified. What should be your response? The correct answer of the question: attempt to change the subject to something on work related, but neither confirm nor deny the article's authenticity. So that's the correct answer of the question. If you have any question, just leave a comment. I will be answering you as soon as I can. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Until next question, bye bye.